I wake up at 7 every day. Repeat with me. I wake up at 7 every day. Good job!
I brush my teeth in the morning. Say it with me. I brush my teeth in the morning. Nice!
I go to work by bus. Repeat with me. I go to work by bus. Keep going. I eat breakfast at home. Now you say it. I eat breakfast at home. Perfect!
I start work at 9 o'clock. Try it with me. I start work at 9 o'clock. Good! I drink coffee in the morning. Say it out loud. I drink coffee in the morning. Great! I check my emails every morning. Say it with me. I check my emails every morning. Nice work!
I have lunch around noon. Repeat with me. I have lunch around noon. Well done!
I finish work at 5 in the afternoon. Now you say it. I finish work at 5 in the afternoon. Great job! I watch TV in the evening. Say it out loud. I watch TV in the evening. Excellent!
I clean my room on Saturday. Repeat with me. I clean my room on Saturday. Nice!
I go grocery shopping every week. Say it with me. I go grocery shopping every week. Keep going! I exercise for 30 minutes a day. Now you say it. I exercise for 30 minutes a day. Well done! I call my parents on Sunday. Try it with me. I call my parents on Sunday. Great! I read a book before bed. Say it out loud. I read a book before bed. Perfect! I would like a cup of coffee, please. Repeat with me. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Great job! Can I have the menu, please? Say it with me. Can I have the menu, please? Nice!
How much does this cost? Now you say it. How much does this cost?
Good!
I am looking for the train station. Try it with me.
I am looking for the train station. Excellent!
What time does the store open? Say it out loud. What time does the store open? Keep it up!
What do you usually do on weekends? Repeat with me. What do you usually do on weekends? Nice work! I am working on a new project this week. Say it with me. I am working on a new project this week. Great! That sounds like a good plan. Say it out loud. That sounds like a good plan. Excellent! Could you help me with this task? Try it with me. Could you help me with this task? Well done! I have been learning English for 6 months. Repeat with me. I have been learning English for 6 months. Great job! I usually review new words before I go to sleep. Say it with me. I usually review new words before I go to sleep. Keep going! I try to practice speaking every single day. Now you say it. I try to practice speaking every single day. Nice work!
At first, speaking English felt difficult for me. Try it with me. At first, speaking English felt difficult for me. You are doing great!
Now I feel more confident when I speak English. Say it out loud. Now I feel more confident when I speak English. Excellent work!
I walk to work every day. Try it with me. I walk to work every day. Great job!
If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.